Hi everyone, I'll be teaching you how to cut your cabbage, how to chop your cabbage using either a knife or another kitchen tool. I'll show you how you can cut your cabbage thinly. So whichever one you have available, just try using it. I'll be showing you the two methods. So we can either use a knife or this wonderful magical kitchen tool that people underuse. I'll first of all show you how to use this kitchen tool. You see this plate? This is the part that you'll be using for slicing. This is the part that I use for peeling potato, like this. Can you see? Look at the complete. Can you see? It's going to slice your cabbage very finely. No stress. This is one method. This is fast and easy, but you have to be sure that it's this type that is toothed. The toothed type. It has to be this toothed type. Can you see this toothed type? It does the job better. So you can see. Look at how beautifully it's shredded it. You can shred it like this. You see? Beautifully shredded. So this is perfect if you want to use it for salad or whichever one you want to use. Or you can use the knife. Either you cut the African way, the normal Nigerian way, like this. This is the second method. You hold it and then you cut. You see, this is the result. It's still out nicely. Or you do the backward stroke like this. Hope you see. See how it is. So which one will you be doing? I feel this cuts it finely for you in no time. This is my preferred method. Although when you're almost done, you have to finish up with a knife. So get this one that you'll be glad you did. So this is the final result for tutorial purpose. This is just for tutorial purpose. Here you go. Thank you for watching and bye bye.